Everyday people are using AI in ways no one thought they would because AI is no longer just for technical people or super coders. It's for regular people, solving real problems. Here are some of the most unexpected ways AI is being used right now. Spouses are using AI to spot cheating patterns they couldn't explain before. Non-scientists are using AI to design beauty formulas without a lab. Real estate investors are using AI to answer objections before they're asked. People who can't draw are designing fashion collections from ideas alone. Vacation rental hosts are using AI to predict what guests want before they arrive. People are writing personal and business story brands and selling the service. Ordinary folks are creating beauty looks that match the vision they have of themselves. Burned out professionals are using AI to build customized daily routines that work. Creators are using AI to turn hobbies into digital income streams. Non-artists are creating customized art and selling on marketplaces. Families are restoring old photos with AI and reliving beautiful memories. Solo founders are selling app ideas without writing a single line of code. People who hate selling are using AI to write offers that actually convert. You see, AI is helping you explore ideas, execute quicker, and is opening doors to the future that still has so much opportunity.